Lee learns to paint. Lee has to make a picture, but she doesn't know where to start. She looks at the big sheet of paper. Lee, when are you going to start? Miss Nelson asks. Lee dips the brush in the green paint and plops it on the paper. She drips blue paint all over the paper. She draws red and pink lines. It's a mess. She folds the paper in half so that no one can see what she did. Time is up. She has her hand in the paper. She unfolds the sheet of paper. What will teacher say of the mess? But look at that. The splashes of paint now look like a butterfly. Lee draws 2 circles around the dots of paint. She draws 2 feelers on top of the line. A pretty butterfly. Lee writes her name on top of the page. Miss Nelson holds the picture up for the class to see. This looks really good, Lee, Miss Nelson says. You are an artist.